got nothing to lose.
Congratulations on the christening of your sweet little angel. May this day bring everlasting happiness to you both and to your whole family.
Way up high and take it low. I'm feeling right from head to toe. Light it up and let it roll. Here I go. Are you ready? Ready to go?
Papasalamat ako kay Lord kasi dumating siya sa buhay namin. Matagal na itong hinihingi nila, Lisel. Answer prayer talaga.
Going, and I can't stop. Are you ready? Ready for me? Oh my my, oh my my.
Alam ko matagal nyo nang pinag-pray si Jace kay Papa God. And to Jace, sobrang swerte mo kasi napakabuting tao ng mommy and daddy mo. And wish ni Ninang na lumaki ka, healthy and be Excited na din kaming makita na makalaro mo si Daddy Jay ng basketball at makasama ka sa travel ng HR team.
All I do is win, all I do is win. Oh my my, no one ever fall. Start it up, let the game begin.
Hi, baby Jace Carlisle. On this beautiful day of your baptism, may you feel the warmth of God's love surrounding you.
Here I go. Are you ready? Ready to go? Are you ready? Ready for
Kahit hindi naman namin hilingin na maging mabuting tao si Jace, alam naman natin lahat na magiging mabuti siya dahil sa inyo.
Are you ready? Ready for me? Oh my my, oh my my. This could be the moment we've been waiting for, the chance to feel alive. Nothing's gonna stop us, nothing's gonna top this, nothing like we've ever seen. And I raise my hands to the sky, what a feeling. 'Cause I feel
Katulad pa rin po nung dati na sinasabi ko, simula nung kasal, nag-gender reveal, ordinaryong araw man to sa inyo, pero sa amin sobrang na-appreciate namin kasi lagi namin kayo maalala. Ayun.
this is where it all begins. This is where it all begins. 'Cause this could be the best day of our lives.
May this special occasion be the beginning of a life filled with love, faith, and happiness.
This is where it all begins. Burning like
Kaya,
a light
baby,
show.
habang malakas si Mama, aalagaan kita hanggat makakaya ko.
Don't think about
Isasayaw kita ng cha-cha hanggang malakas ang tuhod ko.
there are whole new worlds to see. I keep running, and my feet keep lifting me like I'm flying.
Thank you po sa inyong lahat na nakipag-celebrate sa aming lahat. Sana lumaki kang mabait na bata at masunurin sa mga magulang at sa inyong lahat. Mahal na mahal ka namin.
This could be the best day of our lives, yeah. This is where it all begins.
So, itong gift na to is a scapular. So, bibigay ko siya kay Jace kasi alam naman natin lahat na si Papa, kahit wala na siya, is alam ko super proud siya kung ano man yung narating ni Jay ngayon.
Ang ipapamana ko kay Jace ngayon
yung pagiging kamukha niya ako.
Material things, kumpleto na, mababait na magulang, supportive friends. Thank you sa lahat.
Unang okasyon ng anak namin.
Thank you din po sa pagpunta. Yun nga, simula wedding, gender reveal ngayon, binyag. At sa susunod, birthday, kayo pa din yung gusto namin makasama. Thank you sa time and ayun, sa effort, sa pagpunta. Alam ko, mga busy kayo, lalo na weekend. Supposed to be dapat kasama yung family, pero pinili nyo kami.
Thank you for the love. Iba.
Begin.